Three-phase wiring of smart power media. Turn off power. Connect the power cable into the bottom of the main unit. It clicks into place securely. You can mount the three-phase wires by yourself. For example, the yellow live wire is L1, the green is L2, and the red is L3. The L1 line is connected to the yellow live wire. The L2 line is connected to the green live wire. The L3 line is connected to the red live wire. One wire needs to connect to the neutral wire. The direction of CT, P1 to P2. The CT measuring the L1, A line should plug into the audio jack labeled L1A. The main CT is stuck the yellow live wire marked L1. Make sure the arrow on the CT must point towards the breakers. The CT measuring the L2, B line should plug into the audio jack labeled L2B. The main CT is stuck on the green live wire marked L2. Make sure the arrow on the CT must point towards the breakers. The CT measuring the L3, C line should plug into the audio jack labeled L3C. The main CT is stuck on the red live wire marked L3. Make sure the arrow on the CT must point towards the breakers. Clamp each sub-CTs around the circuit you wish to monitor. Make sure the arrow on the CT must point towards the load or inverter. Locate the external antenna outside the electrical panel to ensure that the power meter signal is not blocked by metal. Turn on the power and you can use the device after successfully configure the network.